How to deduct capital loss on FreeTaxUSA. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in FreeTaxUSA.com and search for it. You will land to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now at the top right, you will see the option of sign in. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your details. Type in username and then password. In the case you have forgotten password or username, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in now, and with that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option and create your account. Once logged in, look for the section of your tax return that pertains to capital loss or gain. This may be labeled as capital gains or losses or investment income. Look for an option to add a Schedule D form to your tax return. FreeTaxUSA should provide a specific option for this form type. Click on to begin entering the information. Follow the prompts to enter information about your capital losses. You will need to provide details such as description of the asset sold, the date acquired and sold, the proceeds from the sale, and the cost or other basics. FreeTaxUSA will automatically calculate your net capital loss based on the information you have entered. It will subtract your total capital losses from your total capital gains to determine your net capital loss. If your total capital losses exceed your total capital gains, you can deduct up to $3,000 of the excess loss gains against other income such as wages or salary. If your total capital losses exceed the allowable deduction limit for the current tax year, the excess losses can be carried forward to the future tax years. FreeTaxUSA should automatically handle the carry forward process for you. Double check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied that all information is correct, proceed to file your tax return through FreeTaxUSA. By following these steps, you can successfully deduct capital losses on FreeTaxUSA. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.